We all know that footwear is the most important accessory in men's styling. And we also know that the first thing what is seen or noticed by people in a well-dressed man is their footwear. Footwear, they can really make up anyone's dressing sense and they can also break anyone's dressing sense. Unpolished and your cracked leather footwear or even your dirty sneakers, they can absolutely be a style disaster. You know, maintenance of your footwear is the key. If you really want your footwear to last long, and even more than to last long, they should look always fresh, clean, neat whenever you wear them. The most important thing is how you maintain your footwear. So guys, today in this video, I am going to give you the 5 easy tips to keep your footwear looking fresh, young whenever you wear them, and also to add more years to your footwear. Hello everyone, I am Nikhil. I am men's image consultant. Welcome to another video from Bravo Man. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification icon below, and please do follow me on my Facebook page, which is Bravo Man Image Consultant, and my Instagram page is also Bravo Man Image Consultant. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and follow me, because your support, it really helps me and the channel grow. So without any further ado, let's get in the video. Tip number 1 is the storage. Always keep your footwear in a cool, dry and a clean place, because that will really help your footwear to live longer. Keep your footwear away from a direct sunlight, because your direct sunlight will make your leather go hard and that will kill your leather. And moreover, always keep it in a dry place, because the moisture will eventually result in the fungal growth, which eventually will destroy your leather footwear. So keep it in a cool, dry and a clean place. And moreover, to keep your footwear away from the dust, always use a shoe bag to protect them from the dust, because if your footwear is not being used, okay, always store your footwear in a clean shoe bag, because that will help your footwear to be away from the dust. This will also help your footwear to absorb the extra moisture, and it will also keep your footwear clean, neat and tidy. Tip number 2 is using a shoe tree. Now, this is a shoe tree. The reason we use it is to retain a good shape of your leather footwear. Your leather, it tends to leave its shape, and if it's not been used, so your shoe tree is used to help it to retain the original shape of your leather footwear, keeping it young, fresh and clean, you know, and it helps in removing the wrinkles from the leather. So that will make your footwear look young, and it will make your footwear look clean and new whenever you wear them. So please invest in a good shoe tree, because that will really help you in storage of your footwear, and it will also help you in retaining a good shape of your footwear. Now with the shoe tree, you get it in 2 types. You get it in plastic, you get it in wood. So wood are expensive, but you can choose either of the material, either wood or plastic. And moreover, you can even adjust them. So it's one size fits all. So that is the best thing about a shoe tree. Now, if you don't have a shoe tree at the moment, the best way is use a paper roll, stuff it in. At least that will help in retaining a good shape of your footwear. It's just a quick fix. If you don't want to invest in a shoe tree, this is a best fix. Okay, so you have newspapers at your place. Use a newspaper, roll it properly in a conical shape and stuff it in. You know, this also helps in absorbing the extra moisture. So that is also another best part about using a paper. Whenever your footwear is at rest and if you're not using them, always use a shoe tree or a paper roll. Keep the shape of the footwear intact. Number 3, and the most important thing, is always polish your footwear. That is the most important thing to keep your footwear looking young, crisp, neat, and to make your footwear last for long. Now there is always a routine. So before polishing your shoe, always use a dry cloth, a clean cloth, to clean it properly, okay, use your brush. So this, your bristles are really important. Always use a soft bristle brush, because that will also help in keeping your leather soft, and it will also help in giving a good shine when you polish them. Keep two separate brushes, okay. Keep one brush for your black footwear for your black polish, and other brush for your brown footwear for your brown polish. Make this a routine. Before wearing your footwear, always polish your footwear. We know these, okay, so we have this, so use it, okay, because that will help in keeping your footwear looking crisp, clean and amazing, okay. And everyone loves men who take care of your footwear, so this is the best way. The other thing is, along with the polish for leather footwear especially, you also get leather wax. Now leather wax is basically used to give a good shine to your footwear, okay. So this is a leather wax and this is a polish. So these are two different things. You also get leather cream. There are multiple products. The more you invest in the maintenance of any of the product, the more is the shelf life of the product, okay. So invest in these things, because making a wardrobe and making your collection go amazingly huge is amazing, okay. It is, I love it. I have a collection of 40 plus footwear, but taking care and maintaining your footwear is really a task. So always maintain your footwear, and this is a small regime. You can do it at home anytime, okay. So whenever you wear a footwear, always polish them before wearing it. I forgot to mention this point, especially this particular point in regards with your suede leather. We cannot use wet cloth, neither can we use polish. The best way to keep your suede looking fresh is use a good polish brush, a dry brush, and dust it off, because your suede is a dust magnet. It collects a lot of dust and then the color might get pale. So the best way to keep it fresh is just dust off the excessive dust which is collected by your suede with a good brush, and that will keep your suede looking young and fresh. Tip number 4 is keeping your white sole white. Now the most important thing about wearing a white sneaker is the way they are so polarizing that you can really pair them with anything, and we love white sneakers. But if you really want your white sneakers to garner compliment, they have to be kept clean and neat. And the most important thing is, not only the upper have to be clean, your sole have to also look crisp and white and bright. Now to keep your sole white and bright, the way you have to keep it, use any brush and a soap water. Whenever after wearing your white sneakers, always use a brush and a soap water, brush it and clean it with and wipe it with a good clean cloth. That will help in keeping your white sole white, because at the end of the day, if your upper is clean but your sole is bad, trust me, it's going to be like a complete disaster. So to make your sneakers look crisp, young, and your white to remain white, your sole is also important. So please take care of your sole to keep these soles look white and bright always. And a small tip which I have to give you, if at all, if there are any stains on your white soles, use a nail polish remover, because that will help in getting off the stains from your white sole, and it will keep your white sole white. Tip number 5 is sparkle it. Now I don't mean to sprinkle sparkles, the glittery sparkles on it. Sparkling it is keeping your entire sneaks, your kicks white and bright and shiny. I just spoke to you and I told you a tip about keeping your sole, your white sole white. Now even your upper is really important. Now guys, the most important thing about a sneaker is the way they look. And if you really want our white sneakers to be polarizing and crisp and neat looking, and they should look young and fresh always whenever we wear them, we really have to maintain the look of it. And how do we do that is use a good toothbrush, okay, and a soap water to gently clean your upper sole, your upper mesh. Now you either get it a synthetic leather. Now this is a synthetic leather. Sometimes you even have mesh. So the best way to clean your upper is use a toothbrush and a soap water and gently rub it. Use a clean cloth to just wipe it off. This way you will really keep your upper sparkle bright. Now There is also other way of doing it. If you don't want to use soap water, okay, you can even use hydrogen peroxide and mix it with baking soda. Use a brush and gently rub it. See the magic, because your hydrogen peroxide and your baking soda will really keep your white a sparkling white bright. Trust me, because it really does wonders. I have done it. This particular Snickers is 4 years old and it's still young, it's still neat, crisp and bright and white. Okay, so please take care of your Snickers, please take care of your footwear, not just Snickers but even your leather footwear, because your maintenance is the key to keep your footwear look young always. And whenever you clean your upper mesh, the most important thing is remove your laces and then clean the entire upper. Use a good soapy water and soak your laces also in a soapy water so that they also can be fresh and clean whenever you wear them. So gentlemen, these are my 5 simple tips and easy tips to keep your shoe looking young for long. I hope you like this video. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs. If you love it, please do share it with your friends and family. And I hope and I wish to see you in my next video. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave your comments below. I would love to answer all your questions. Till then, look great, feel fantastic, rock this 5 small basic tips of your maintaining of your shoes. Trust me, you will never ever go wrong in maintaining your shoes and making it look super young and super fresh and super new always. Till then, ciao.